Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it is Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, SEMA 2018, alongside Jason again. This time, we're going to be looking at some cool Lund products, right?
That's right. This is a Lund Night FX guide light. The beauty of these...
I like that name already, by the way, the Night FX guide. That just sounds like something I want.
It's cool. And the beauty of these things, it's a plug-and-play technology. You put it into your OBDII port, and the OBDII port powers the lights. So you don't have to go to the battery. You don't have to go through the firewall.
You're not disconnecting some stuff. You're not running wires through stuff that shouldn't have wires in it.
No, it's just plug and play. And the beauty of it is they turn on via unlock on your key fob or when you open the door.
Ooh, nice.
Voila, the lights come on for 30 seconds.
Now, we talked about the plug and how easy that is. What about that play? We have 2 lights down here.
4 lights total. They come on for about 30 seconds and then fade off. And the great thing about this is we have long wires to them. So not only will they work underneath a Nerf bar, you can put them in the wheel wells, you can put them in the bed, you can put them anywhere in your truck. And when you hit the unlock button, they illuminate.
Absolutely beautiful. A lot of slack to play with, too. Nice. And I like the design on these things, too, man. They're rough and rugged, just like me, right?
Well, the Nerf bars are separate. Those are the Lund Terrain HX steps. The lights happen to be mounted underneath them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, I tell you what. I'm going to take a look at this. Why don't you give me a couple more facts?
So these lights can be mounted anywhere on the truck. These are taped onto the bottom of the Nerf bar, but they come with screws, too. So you can put them anywhere around the truck you want.
Yep, I just wanted to get down there and see what was going on. That's pretty nice. Hey, if you'd like to pick these up, you could do so at MidwestAftermarket.com or give us a call. And are these available now, or are we going to have to wait till January?
They'll be available in January for the top-selling trucks.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'm going to grab those, and I'm going to get back down under this truck. We'll see you next time. Yeah, I'm going to take a nap.